This is G. Sai Prasad, Assistant Professor of Chemistry at Government Degree College, Utnur. Today's topic is interconversion of wedge projection formula to Fisher projection formula, or conversion of Fisher projection formula to wedge. That is interconversion of wedge and Fisher projection formula. Let's see conversion of Fisher projection formula to flying wedge or Fisher projection formula to wedge dash projection formula. The vertical bonds in the Fisher projection formula are drawn in the plane of the paper using simple lines. Consequently, horizontal bonds will project above and below the plane so that the configuration will not affected. Let's take example. Here is the Fisher projection formula of a chiral molecule. Its configuration according to Conin-Gold-Prelag rule: bromine is first priority, COH is second priority, CH3 is third priority, and hydrogen is fourth priority, which is at a horizontal line. The 1, 2, 3 bonds is anti-clockwise direction. That's why it is R configuration, because fourth priority group is at a horizontal bond. When this Fisher molecule, Fisher projection formula converted to flying wedge or wedge dash, the horizontal bonds, that is Br and H, above the plane and below the plane, whereas the vertical bonds, that is COOH and CH3 bonds, are lie on the paper, lie on the plane with simple lines, that is COOH and CH3 bond is lie on the plane, and the horizontal bonds, that is Br and H, is above and below the plane of molecule. When Br is taken above the plane, and H is below the plane, let's see this configuration. To write the configuration of wedge formula, we have to see the molecule such that the fourth priority group lie on the back side of the observer. It is the observer watching, is the eye of the observer watching the molecule such that the hydrogen, that is fourth priority group, is at the back of the molecule. Therefore, by giving configuration, that is according to Conin-Gold-Prelag rule, giving priority, bromine is 1, COOH is 2, and CH3 is 3. 1, 2, 3 is clockwise direction, and fourth priority group is below the plane, then it is R configuration. Okay, let's take when hydrogen is above the plane. Hydrogen is above the plane of molecule, and COOH, CH3 are in plane, and Br is below the plane of molecule. If we are seeing from this side, for example from this side, the fourth priority group is above the plane. Fourth priority group is above the plane. Okay, and the 1, 2, 3 bromine 1, 2, 3 is going anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3 is anti-clockwise. Fourth priority group is above the plane, therefore the bond is configuration is R, because fourth priority group is above the plane, by seeing the molecule here. Okay, this is the correct configuration, that is configuration of a molecule is not affecting. R configuration in Fisher projection formula is retain its configuration in wedge formula, therefore it is the conversion of Fisher into flying wedge such that the configuration will not affected. The vertical bonds are placed in wedge projection formula. Vertical bonds are placed in plane of paper, and whereas horizontal bonds is above and below the plane, so that the configuration is not affected during conversion. Let's take another example. If we are taking alanine, for example, alanine molecule, alanine COOH, CH3, NH2, H. This is alanine molecule with configuration according to Kahn-Gold-Prelog rules. NH2 is first priority, COOH is second priority, and CH3 is third priority, hydrogen is fourth priority. Okay, 1, 2, 3 priority groups are anti-clockwise direction. 2 to 3 anti-clockwise direction. Fourth priority group is lie on horizontal bond, horizontal line, therefore it is R configuration. R configuration. When it is converted to wedge dash, the horizontal bond, that is COOH, CH3, COOH, CH3, COOH and CH3 on plane by using simple line, and the horizontal bonds are placed in such a way that the configuration will not affect. R configuration retained in wedge formula also. Therefore NH2 is above the plane and H is below the plane. Okay, let's see the doing configuration by seeing this side. Observer is seeing from this side. Okay, observer is seeing from this side, therefore the NH2 bond priority 1 and COOH priority is 2, CH3 is priority 3, fourth priority group is below the or back side of the observer, seeing back side, therefore 1, 2, 3 priority is clockwise and fourth priority is below the plane, therefore it is R configuration. Okay, therefore the R configuration in Fisher formula is retained in wedge dash formula. If hydrogen is above the plane, then if hydrogen is above the plane, therefore the alanine, that is COOH, NH2, H, CH3, which is R configuration. Okay, if hydrogen is above the plane, the COOH, CH3, the COOH and CH3 bond are placed in the plane of the paper, and hydrogen is above the plane by using thick line, and the NH2 is below the plane by using dotted lines. Okay. To do the configuration by seeing from this side, so that the fourth priority group is at above the plane, the first priority is NH2, second priority COOH, third priority CH3, fourth priority is hydrogen, which is above the plane. By seeing from this direction, the 1, 2, 3 is anti-clockwise direction, 1, 2, 3 is anti-clockwise direction, and fourth priority group is above the plane, therefore it is R configuration. Okay, it is the retaining of configuration, that is R in Fisher, whereas R in retain configuration R in wedge dash formula. By simplifying, that is how to simplify this Fisher and Fisher converted to wedge, that is COOH, CH3 alanine, which is R configuration. It is R configuration. If we are placing the vertical bond such that COOH and CH3, that is vertical bond are placing at right side of the plane of the paper, that is it is right side. Okay, then we have to write the NH2, that is right side horizontal bond, is above the plane of the paper, and the left side bond is always below the plane of the paper. Okay, when the vertical bonds are placing plane of the paper at right side, that is COOH, CH3, we are drawing simple lines at right side bond, right side, then the horizontal right side bond NH2 is placed above the plane, and OH bond is below the plane of molecule, such that the configuration will not affect. R is R. Fisher or chiral carbon atom is retained chiral. 1, 2, 3 R configuration. Okay, when if the vertical bond is, first we have to, when we are writing left side, that is in plane bonds are writing left side, then the horizontal right side bond we have to write below the plane of paper, NH2 bond, and the right side bond we have to write above the plane with thick line. Okay, so that the configuration will not affect. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3 anti-clockwise and hydrogen above the plane R configuration. Okay, this is the simplifying of Fisher to wedge formula. Let's take another example. If taking molecule the glyceraldehyde CHO OH H CH2 OH, this is glyceraldehyde. Okay, by giving configuration to this molecule according to Canning-Gold-Prelog rule, OH group is first priority and CHO is second priority, CH2H is third priority, H is fourth priority. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 is 1 to 2, 2 to 3 is anti-clockwise and it is R configuration. Okay, let's take S configuration. S configuration, that is the CHO and OH is left side, OH, H is right side, CH2 OH. It is 1, 2, 3 clockwise, hydrogen is fourth priority lying horizontal side, horizontal bond, therefore it is S configuration. By taking S configuration, it is converted to wedge. Then if the vertical bond, that is CHO and CH2H, this is CHO bond, vertical top vertical bond, same. The down vertical bond is taking at right side, right angle. Okay, right to the CHO, that is CH2 OH with a simple line. Okay, then we have to write the right side H, right side bond is above the plane, right side bond is above the plane and left side bond is below the plane with dotted line. Okay, Let's take this configuration. Let's see this configuration. By seeing from this angle, H is above the plane, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is clockwise. 1, 2, 3 is clockwise. Therefore, the fourth priority is above the plane. That's why it is S configuration retained. If therefore the configuration is retained, therefore it is right conversion of Fisher to wedge. If the bottom vertical bond is taken CH2OH at left side, then the wedge bond is, that is above the plane, is left side horizontal bond OH, and right side bond is or dash bond, that is dotted line, the hydrogen bond. That is right side horizontal bond is our dotted bond in wedge. If we are taking the top bottom vertical bond in left side of the molecule. Let's take by seeing from this angle 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is anti-clockwise and fourth priority is below the plane, therefore it is S configuration. Okay, the Fisher configuration S is retained in wedge dash projection formula, therefore it is the right conversion of Fisher to wedge. Okay, next conversion of wedge to wedge dash into Fisher projection formula. Conversion of wedge dash projection formula into Fisher projection formula. What are the rules? One has to see the wedge dash formula from the direction in which the horizontal bonds are directed towards the observer and vertical bonds are directed away from the observer. Okay, let's, by seeing example we can clearly clarify that point. Here is the wedge projection formula. It is the wedge projection formula. The observer is seeing the wedge formula such that the horizontal bonds are wedge and dash bonds which are out of plane of paper towards the observer, and vertical bonds are directed away from the observer. That is, A and B are vertical bonds which is lie in plane of the paper are directed away from the observer, and the horizontal bonds which are dash bond and wedge bond, C and D. Dotted bond are D and wedge bond, that is thick line bond, is C, is towards the observer. We have to see in such a way. By seeing, he is watching the molecule such that A and B is vertical bond and C and D horizontal bonds, with C bond is left side to the observer, horizontal left side, and D is horizontal right side, and A is top vertical bond and B is bottom vertical bond. That this can be converted to this Fisher formula. Okay, so that the configuration is not affecting. Okay, configuration not affected by seeing this. Okay. Here three positions are there to see the observer by different direction. 1, 2, 3. In one first position, observer is seeing such that the horizontal bonds are towards the observer and vertical bonds are away from the observer. Second position is wrong position, not suggested, because observer is seeing the molecule such that the vertical bonds are towards the observer and horizontal bonds are away from the observer. It is not recommended. Okay. Third is also recommended because it is inverted molecule, is watching by inverted molecule, that is 180 degree flipping. Flipping 180 degree will not affect the configuration, that's why it is allowed. By seeing inverted molecule is allowed because flipping 180 degree Fisher formula is not affect the configuration. Okay. The first position is watching the molecule such that A and B are vertical bonds with A is top vertical and B is bottom vertical, and D and C is horizontal bonds with D is right side and C is left side. Here the third position is inverted seeing, that is B is top vertical bond, A is bottom vertical bond, and C is left side, right side of the observer, and D is left side to the observer. By rotating 180 degree, we can get this molecule. Rotating 180 degrees, we get position 1, will not affect the configuration. But by watching third position, that seeing in third position, the configuration is changing. AB is vertical, top vertical A, bottom vertical B, C is right side and D is left side, which is opposite to the configuration. That's why it is a wrong position to see the molecule. Right position is the vertical bonds are away from the observer and horizontal bonds are towards the observer. We have to see in such a way. Let's take example. Alanine, COOH, and CH3 are in plane with NH2 above the plane with dash is hydrogen with a dotted line. Okay. We have to see the molecule such that the horizontal bonds, that is dash and wedge bonds, are towards the observer. Okay, is watching. Okay, from this angle. Therefore, the COOH vertical bonds, COOH is top vertical and CH3 is bottom vertical bond, and H is at right side, NH2 is left side. It is the configuration 1, 2, 3 is, it is anticlockwise, yes, because fourth priority is below the plane. Here also 1, 2, 3, it is clockwise and hydrogen is fourth priority, which is horizontal, present in horizontal bond, therefore it is S configuration. Therefore the configuration is not changing, therefore it is the right way to convert wedge to Fisher formula. Let's take another example. Lactic acid. COOH, CH3, OH, wedge bond, and dotted bond, that is dash bond, is hydrogen. Okay, it is the configuration 1, 2, 3 is going anti-clockwise, therefore it is S configuration because fourth priority group is lying below the plane of paper. By watching, observer is watching this side because the wedge and dash bond is towards the observer. Okay, by watching from here, he see the molecule that the vertical bond COOH and CH3 or top vertical is COOH, bottom vertical is bond is CH3, and the hydrogen is right side and OH is left side. Okay, 1, 2, 3 is clockwise with fourth priority group is horizontal, present at horizontal bond, that's why it is S configuration. Configuration is not affected during conversion of wedge to Fisher, therefore it is right conversion. Let's take another example. Mandelic acid. That is COOH, pH presented in plane, and the OH bond is or wedge bond, and the dash bond is or hydrogen bond. Okay, here the observer is watching this side. Observer is watching from this angle. Okay, observer is watching this angle, that is by drawing this side, then he is seeing molecule that the right top vertical bond is COH, bottom is with phenyl bond, and right side is OH and left side is H. Here the configuration in wedge is 1, 2, 3 is clockwise or configuration. Here the 1, 2, 3 is anti-clockwise with hydrogen is horizontal bond, that's why it is R configuration. Okay, it is R configuration. The configuration is not changed during conversion of wedge to fissure, therefore it is right conversion. Let's take another example. The CH3 H OH and Br. Here the configuration we have to see is such that the fourth priority, this is the fourth priority which is present in the plane. We have to see such that the fourth priority is below the plane. Therefore, we have to see the molecule in this direction. Okay, the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 is clockwise. 1, 2, 3 is clockwise. 1, 2, 3 clockwise. Fourth priority is below the plane by seeing this side. Therefore, it is R configuration. The observer also seeing to convert the wedge to fissure is seeing from this direction. Therefore, the CH3 H is top vertical bond is CH3, bottom hydrogen is bonded with hydrogen, and right side is Br, left side is OH. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 priorities are clockwise direction. Hydrogen is present at vertical bond, therefore it is R configuration. The configuration of the molecule retained while converting wedge to fissure, therefore it is right conversion. Okay, let's take another example. COOH, ethyl bond C2H5, OH and H. The configuration is here hydrogen is present above the plane. Therefore, observer will watch from this side so that the hydrogen fourth priority is back to the observer. Observer is watching from this angle. Okay, therefore, to the observer the hydrogen is backside. Therefore, the priority, this is one priority, this is second priority, this is third priority. 1, 2, 3 priority is, to us it is anti-clockwise. To the observer it is clockwise. To the observer the direction is clockwise. Therefore, it is R configuration. Okay. The observer to convert this wedge to fissure, the observer is watching from this side so that the wedge dash bonds are towards the observer. is seeing molecule like this, COOH and C2H5 present at vertical bonds with COOH is top and C2H5 bottom. OH is right side, H is left side. A configuration, by doing configuration in Fisher formula, 1, 2, 3. 1 to 3 is anti-clockwise, and hydrogen is, that is fourth priority, is present at horizontal bond, therefore it is R configuration. Anti-clockwise and fourth priority is horizontal bond, therefore it is R configuration. R configuration of wedge is retained in Fisher, therefore it is right way to do the conversion. Thank you, students.